In today's video, we have part 3 of the best websites for finding online arbitrage deals. So welcome back to the channel. Today we have episode 3 of our popular series where we take you through the best websites for finding online arbitrage deals which you can use to sell your products on Amazon FBA. So we'll be taking you through 6 more of the best websites, and from these websites we'll actually be showing you a deal so you can see the type of product you can buy for, the sort of results you will get from it. So after you've watched the video, make sure to let me know in the comments which deal you think is the best one. And for our new users here who don't know what online arbitrage is and don't know what Amazon FBA is, so firstly, Amazon FBA, this is where you basically buy products and you send them into Amazon's warehouse. They take care of all the shipping, the storing, sending it out to your customer service, and so on. And online arbitrage, that is basically where you are buying the products from a retail store. So it might be Asda, it might be home-based, it might be from Tesco. You're buying them for cheap and you're selling them for more on Amazon using their FBA service. So make sure to check them out as well as we go through some great websites for finding deals. And before we start, we just wanted to say that all the deals we do show today, all were correct at the time of recording. So all the prices we were buying for and all the prices they were selling for on Amazon were correct when we recorded this. But these deals come from our deal of the day feature. This is where we send in 1 to 2 deals Monday to Friday for all of our customers for free into our Discord, just to give them inspiration on the types of deals out there. But what this does mean is they do get seen by a lot of people. So not only do they go in our Discord, they also go on our social media, so they can become saturated. And that does mean that the price can drive down. So we don't really recommend to ever buy these deals, just to give inspiration on the types of deals to go for, where to look, and so on. So let's get right into it. Okay, so website number 1 is The Body Shop, and I'm sure you're familiar with this website. They've got obviously a great range of products. They're often running really good discounts or really good deals. So this product here was a buy one, get one free. It is still at the moment. So it's usually £18, but obviously it's buy one, get one free, so it would cost £9 per unit. So you now see the Profitl extension on the screen, just with all the data from when we did send this into Deal of the Day. So as we can see, it's not selling a huge amount. It's only selling between 5 to 30 units a month, but it's got good reviews. So it's almost 5-star rated with 30 reviews. That's a good thing. Obviously it means the return aren't going to be as high, but there was 2 things which we thought was amazing about this deal. Was that its return on investment was 147%, which is just insane. Spending £9 to return £30 is just insane, and that would give us an estimated profit per unit of £13.24. Now obviously there is a good chance that this price would come down, but to have a return on investment like this just gives us so much wiggle room for the price. If it does come down, we can still end up with a really good profit. And the other thing we loved about it was the fact that it was only one FBA seller, which means there isn't much competition for us. There is a lot of competition on Amazon. It is a fierce environment to sell on, so obviously if you can find products where not many other people are selling them at that time, it's just going to make your life a lot easier. Okay, so website number 2 is Boots. Now Boots obviously have a great range of beauty and personal items, and this product which we're showing you today was a mouthwash. So it was this Breath Co Fresh Breath Oral Rinse Mild Mint 500 millilitres. When we sent this in, we could buy this for £9.33. And as you can see from the Profitl extension, it was selling on Amazon at the time for £22.95. Sales 30 to 90 units a month, so decent sales. It was 4.5-star rated with 44 reviews, so good reviews again. Return on investment 65%, which is great. We try and get about 30% as a minimum, so we're getting over double that. Again, it gives us a lot of room for movement, and that would give us an estimated profit per unit of £6.02. So to be spending £9.33 to return £6 is just fantastic. There was slightly more FBA sellers than we like normally. 5 is about the top range of our perfect points, so we usually say between 1 to 5 is worth going for. 5 to 10 you can go for if it's a really good buy. Over 10 we say to avoid, but we always recommend to check the stock levels of other sellers before buying anything, because obviously if you've got other sellers who've got a huge amount of stock for this line, which means obviously there's a good chance that they'll be trying to beat you no matter the cost to get the buy box. Okay, website number 3 is Online Pound Store. So again, this is another website which is great for beauty and also home items as well. So this product here was a dry pack citric acid descaler. So we could buy one of these for £1.95. So the deal we actually found on Amazon was for a pack of 3, which was selling for £13.31. So one of these would cost us £1.95, which means a pack of 3 would cost us £5.85. So we'd put them together as one single unit and then send them into Amazon's warehouse. So as you can see from the Profitl extension, it had amazing sales. So this was selling between 1,350 up to 2,220 units a month. So product reviews, this was 5-star rated. Now moving on to the profitability, so return on investment 32%. That is just above sort of our cut off of 30%. And it would give us an estimated profit per unit of £1.86, which is absolutely fine. And as with the last one, this one has 5 FBA sellers, but on the high side of what we like going for, but not too bad at all. Before we do go into website number 4, I just wanted to let you know about an exclusive Profitl discount code for everyone watching who's not a member of Profitl here. And if you were interested in joining, we do have an exclusive discount code, which I will just pop up right here. All of our links are in the description as well, so make sure to check them all out. So now on to website number 4, and it is Waitrose, and I'm sure you're well aware of Waitrose. Waitrose has obviously got a huge catalogue of product. You'll often think of Waitrose being a bit more expensive, so you might think it's difficult to find online arbitrage deals on here, but it is possible, and it will usually be on sale item. You'll very rarely get ones which aren't discounted products. And this is a prime example. So it's this Treacle Moon Brazilian Love shower and bath gel. So we're saving a third. It was £2.60. We can currently buy it for £1.73. So you'll now see the Profitl data on screen. So as you can see, it was selling at the time for £7.50 on Amazon. So we're buying it for £1.73. It was selling for £7.50. Decent sales, 90 to 210 units a month. Decent reviews, so it had 29 reviews and it was 5-star rated. Return on investment was 58%, so that's absolutely amazing. Double what we try and get, giving us a profit per unit of £1.01. 4 other FBA sellers, so not too much competition to worry about. Now on to website number 5, and we have Superdrug. So you probably noticed today that we've had quite a lot of beauty websites, and that's just because they're great websites for finding arbitrage deals. So Superdrug obviously has a great range of products, a massive catalogue to pick from, and often running really good deals. So an example for a product from Superdrug was this Tresemme Pro Keratin Smooth Heat Protect Spray, 200 millilitres. So we can buy this for £6.05. When we sent this into Deal of the Day, it was selling on Amazon for £18.99. Sales were 30 to 90 units a month, so decent sales, and it was 4.5-star rated with 28 reviews. Now again, there was 2 things we absolutely loved about this deal. First up was the return on investment, so 101%, giving us a profit per unit of £6.08. So to return £6.08 profit per unit is just amazing. And with only 2 other FBA sellers, not much competition to worry about. Now onto the 6th and final website, and we have Ryman. So Ryman obviously have a great range of stationery products. They also do furniture, printers, and so on. So the deal we're showing you from this website is this Winsor & Newton stretched and primed cotton can, which we could buy for £6.50, usually £8.75, saving us £2.25. So when we sent this into Deal of the Day, this was selling on Amazon for £14.98. Sales of 210 to 390 a month. 8 reviews and 4.5-star rated. Our return on investment would be 43%, so not a bad ROI, giving us an estimated profit per unit of £2.81. And again, only 2 FBA sellers on this one, and that's something we always try and get when we're sourcing our deals, trying to minimize our competition as much as possible. Obviously, we are always going to get more people jump on the listing, but the less sellers we have on the start, then if we can get our stock in really quick, we can often sell out before any other sellers do come on this listing. So that is 6 more of the best websites to find in online arbitrage deals, which you can then sell using Amazon FBA. We hope that showed just a pure variety of websites you can use, and just a pure variety of products which you can actually make money on. But make sure to let us know in the comments which deal you thought was the best one. But thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you're not already doing so. And if you were interested in joining Profitl, all of our important links are in our description if you want to find out more about what we do. But we will see you again soon.